In this video, we will look at rules for drawing ray diagrams for concave and convex lenses. There are three rules. Let's begin with the first rule. First rule says any ray of light traveling parallel to the principal axis. So here this rule is for rays of light which are traveling parallel to the principal axis. What happens to them? After refraction, they actually pass through the focus for convex lens and appear to pass through the focus for concave lens. So let's draw this diagram and see. So if this is a convex lens, optical center, if rays of light are traveling parallel to the principal axis, in case of convex lens, they actually converge at the focus. So this is F. These are the rays which have actually converged at focus. Whereas in case of concave lens, when rays of light are parallel to the principal axis like this, they will diverge and diverge in such a way that it will appear as if they are coming out of the focus. So here, as we said earlier, we get a virtual focus. So this is how rays converge or diverge in case of convex and concave lens when they are incident parallel to the principal axis. So this rule was for rays parallel to the principal axis. Let's look at rule number 2. This rule is for rays which emerge parallel. So they come out parallel after refraction from the lenses. So how does that happen? Any ray of light which first passes through the principal focus. That means it actually passes through the principal focus. This is for convex lens. Or appear to meet at the principal focus. This is for concave lens. Then they will travel parallel to the principal axis after refraction. So once again, let's draw a ray diagram for this convex lens. So they will travel parallel to the principal axis after refraction. That will happen if the rays are passing through focus F. If rays passing through focus F, they will emerge parallel to the principal axis like this. In this case also, they will emerge parallel out of the principal focus and they would be coming like this. If they are coming like this in such a way that they appear to meet at the focus. So if these rays are incident upon the concave lens in such a way that they are appearing to meet at the focus, in that case they will emerge parallel. Please remember, this is a dotted line, so that rays don't actually go over here, they go in this particular direction. So this is rule number 2 for rays emerging parallel. Let's look at rule number 3. Rule number 3 says any ray of light which passes through the optical center of the lens does not deviate from its path. So this is something which we have already discussed earlier. So if this is the optical center of the lens, then any ray of light which is incident upon the optical lens will pass undeviated straight through this. Same with any ray of light which passes through this will emerge undeviated from whatever angle. Supposing a ray of light is coming like this, it will go undeviated like this if it is incident or if it is directed towards the optical center. So these are the 3 rules for drawing ray diagrams. In the next video, we will look at objects placed at different distances from these lenses, and we will use these rules of ray diagrams to locate the position and the nature of the image formed. That discussion we will have in the next video. Thank you.